Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for calling Harborview Hotel. This is Angelo from the Reservation Department. How may I assist you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Christian and I'd like to inquire about room availability and possibly make a reservation.
Certainly, I'd be happy to help you with that. May I know you prefer check-in and check-out dates?
Yes, I'm planning to check in on March 15 and check out on March 18.
Thank you. And how many guests will be staying in the room?
There will be 2 adults. What's the difference between the 2 rooms?
The deluxe queen room has 1 queen-size bed, a balcony with a partial sea view, and includes breakfast for 2. The standard queen room has 2 single beds and does not include breakfast.
I see. How much is the deluxe queen room per night?
The rate is 4,200 per night, inclusive of breakfast and taxes.
That sounds good. I take the deluxe queen room.
Wonderful choice. May I have your full name, please?
Sure, it's Carl Christian D. Denuli.
Thank you, Mr. Dinuli. May I also have your contact number and email address for the reservation confirmation?
Contact number is 0967-8747-827 and my email is carlchristiandenuli@gmail.com.
For guarantee purposes, may I ask how you would like to secure the reservation credit card o bank transfer?
I'll use my credit card.
Alright, rest assured your card details will remain confidential. Your reservation is now successful booked.
Time is check-in and check-out.
Check-in time is at 2 p.m. and check-out is at 12 noon. If you need early check-in, you may request it your arrival, subject to availability.
Okay, that's noted. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Dinuli. We look forward to welcoming you at Harborview Hotel. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
Thank you for calling. Before we end the call, Mr. Dinuli, let me quickly summarize your reservation details. Accuracy.
Sure, that would be great.
You have a deluxe queen room reserved for 2 adults with a check-in on March 15 and check-out on March 18 for a total of 3 nights. The rate is 4,200 per night, inclusive of breakfast for 2 on applicable taxes.
Yes, that's correct.
Your reservation is guaranteed. Using a credit card and a confirmation email will be sent to carlchristiandenuli@gmail.com within the next few minutes.
Alright, I check my email later.
Thank you. For your reference, may I also inform you of our cancellation policy?
Yes, please.
Cancellation made 48 hours prior to arrival are free for charge. Any cancellation made after that or in case of a no-show will be charged for 1 night stay.
Okay, that's clear.
During your stay, you may also enjoy your hotel amenities such as the swimming pool, fitness center, and free Wi-Fi throughout the property.
That sounds nice. Thank you for the information.
You're very welcome, sir. If you have any special requests such as airport transfer, room decoration, or late checkout, you may contact us anytime before your arrival.
I'll keep that in mind.
It has been many pleasure assisting you today, Mr. Dinuli. We truly look forward to welcoming you to the Harborview Hotel.
Thank you again for your assistance.
You're most welcome. Have a pleasant day ahead and thank you for choosing Harborview Hotel.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.